What's up, gang? We at it again. We're ready to tackle all this stone here. Afterwards, we're gonna put a good sealer on it. Got a little basketball court up there as well. This just hasn't been done in quite some time. Take a real good look at it right now. Once we're done, it's gonna pop, baby. We out here doing what we do, y'all. Stay tuned. All right, y'all, we at it, of course. Wanted to show y'all the first phase of this stone cleaning. Turned out pretty good. Check it out. Cleaned up pretty darn good. Protected the plants, we watered them down. Kept the overspray from getting on them as much as we possibly could, humanly possibly could. And these are the results, man. Not sure how long ago this was done, but we're going to seal it afterwards so that it won't get as heavily stained so soon. That's what it looked like before. Also did the timbers as well. Nice, beautiful garden. When it's done right. Our professionals. What y'all think? Tell me what you think. Still a little wet, but it's clean, you know. That OG up there, hard head, look at it. You got something you want to say?